Hello everyone, it has been a long time. How are you? Yesterday I drew these cats with this pen, Graph Gear pen from Pentel, and I think I should do like a review because I know this much better than the oil pencil that I reviewed the other day. And anyway, I wanted to do something today. It's drawing like cats. It's my mother's cats. I have a few screenshots here, very bad quality. And I wanted to draw each of them in 3 minutes. And I don't know what I can draw in 3 minutes. Like for this one, I drew it in 3 minutes, about 3 minutes this morning. But for the other one, I needed more time yesterday. So, yeah, let's do it. And I will just try to do 3 minutes. I don't know, maybe I will do more or less. It depends on the drawing, maybe. But I will try to stop at 3 and maybe do 5 drawings. And yeah, so I will just put this glove and yeah, let's go. And I don't know if I will talk as I draw because I need like to concentrate on the drawing. And yeah, if at 3 minutes I haven't done much, well, it's okay. That doesn't really matter. So usually I do like a bit darker at the end of the drawing, but yeah, it might be okay to do it like this. And I start with this one, almost 1 minute, and I haven't done anything. And this one is it's like, you know, when the head is like in this position, I feel like it's harder to draw it. Because, yeah, you have to adapt. So, yeah, let's just try to do what we can do in 3 minutes with this one. Maybe it would be like easier if I have not the head, not just the head, the face, but the body, because the body might be like easier to draw. What do you think? And here, and the eyes are like this, maybe. She's cute, and I am doing her maybe a big head. It's okay, don't worry. 3 minutes, it's a bit short for this one, I don't know. Okay, so let's just try to do it a bit faster. From here, only, you know, only 40 seconds left. Now that I have less time, I'm really starting to accelerate. It's often like this, you know. If you know that you are going to die, you just do everything that you can before, I guess. Maybe we will open the eyes a bit. Yeah, let's do it like this. Well, okay, next. Well, not that good, huh? Let's try to do this one. I have already lost 15 seconds almost. That's not good. So usually, yeah, when I draw the cats, I start with the ear, and then after that I try to to see like where it all goes. Maybe I did it a bit too high. And when I drew this kind of like quick sketch, I am not trying to do it like perfectly like the picture, because I am just trying to get the dark and yeah, and maybe to have the proportion right, and to do this kind of here it's a bit dark, and maybe here, and I try, you know, here, then it comes here, so, and then there is this like second back, or big back, maybe too big, and so this one come here and here, and you can see like it's not far from being perfect, but I like to do this kind of like quick sketch, especially the cats, because I love cats, and when I cannot draw very well something I wanted to draw, I often draw cats. And as I am drawing and talking at the same time, it's a bit like, I don't know if I can say strange. But yeah, you know, for this one, like it goes a bit better than the first, I think. And I like to do this kind of lines like this. You know, it's sure you could try to do each of the little line here, but doesn't matter. Anyway, oh yeah, no, maybe a bit of the dark here. Let's go to the next. Once again, another face. The face, I don't know, maybe, I don't know if it will be okay here. And then I stop talking because I need to concentrate to find the distance and where it falls exactly compared to the here, like here. Not exactly, I mean, that's you got to have the proportion a bit right, at least. Well, except if you want to do something like funny, but I'm just trying to get the movement like this, and I don't really want to do this plate or something. I just want to do the cuts. And yeah, from this, like this. Maybe I will need to do it. Okay, let's just do this one quickly. Yeah, and you know, I have been drawing like every day for 6 months, and I am starting to feel some improvement. Well, you know, you can feel some improvement as you draw every day. But now I can start to really enjoy just drawing, and it feels really good. I mean, even if I cannot draw everything that I want, and everything is not perfect, and what is perfection anyway? But yeah, This feels good. You know, anyway, when you do something every day, oh, only 30 seconds left. What is happening? What is happening here? Okay, let's do it like this. Maybe a bit here. Yeah, and when you do something every day and you progress, it always feels good. Whatever you are doing. Okay, next. Once again, really bad quality. And I don't know, for this one, I don't know how I will be able to do something. And when you don't know, the best is to try. Maybe we can do this. I would like to have the time to do this black part and white. She's cute. Okay, maybe. What? It doesn't look like her at all, and with the eyes I just do. She looks very tired now. Anyway, okay, let's do it like this. Quickly. Because we don't have the time. I like to take the time. So she looks like really tired on my drawing. The poor little thing. It's not a thing, it's an animal. Yeah, it is. She is. No, I love animals anyway. Oh, yeah, the second one here. So let's do it like this. "50 seconds left, and here should be like shorter, maybe here, and maybe like this, and this one, 30 seconds left. Okay. Well, and as you see, like the picture is really bad, so for the black I can maybe only do like this, because anyway it's all black on the picture, there are no shadows, or maybe I could like imagine maybe it's darker here, and as you can see. Anyway, next. Once again, not a really good quality. For now, this one is the best, I think. Anyway, wow, already 20 seconds wasted. So, like this, maybe here. And I am doing a like a strange face. She looks like a dog. That's not a problem, yeah. So we do it like this, maybe a bit bigger. And like this, should be from here, cannot see very well, and maybe I will just to have the black and the white. I think it's black here. And and sometimes you're like, oh no, it's not like this. What should I do? But it's okay, even if it's not that good. You just continue, and maybe I will do the shadow right now because I will not have the time. And yeah, you just continue drawing and drawing and drawing. And as long as you draw, I think it's okay. It doesn't matter if it's not correct or if it's not perfect. And I am not like, you know, wow, 20 seconds left. I am not like the professional artist or anything. I'm just trying to enjoy, to learn. Well, almost no time left. Let's do it like this then. Okay, well. $50 seconds. No, 2 minutes 50 seconds. So, Titan. His name is Titan and he is often sleeping like this. Maybe I told you before. Titan. So. Okay, maybe we can do like this. And yeah, so this one should come here, and then maybe the eyes here. Like sometimes I feel like maybe I am like rushing. Well, 3 minutes, so it's normal maybe. But sometimes I feel like, yeah, maybe I should go slower, and even going slower it wouldn't matter that much actually. It wouldn't be a big problem. Maybe I should just call this video how to draw a cat, and maybe even do a 1 hour videos, you know, on YouTube. Like, the longer the people stay on your video, the faster like you rank in YouTube and stuff. That's why there are many people that are making longer and longer videos. Well, as long as it is interesting, it's okay. Anyways, if it's not interesting, people just don't watch it. So it might be okay. Okay, I think the face is okay. Maybe here for this part, and it's a bit darker. "40 seconds left." Well, I think I will not have the time. It's interesting because this morning, the one I did in 3 minutes, it was like, wow, I didn't feel like I was rushing or something like I am rushing now. Maybe it depends on the time of the day, and maybe on the drawing also. I don't even know if this part is... No, it should be a leg, yeah? It's not the tail or something. Or maybe I should just not finish the drawing, just. Yeah, I know, 3 minutes. And, well, maybe I will stop here, because it will be a bit too long if I continue. So yeah, 3 minutes cat sketch, because I love cats. So which one do you like the best? I think that this one is quite okay, and this one also is nice. This one is cute. This one I'm not sure. This one, yeah, I'm not sure neither. And this one, she looks so sad on this one. Anyway, please let me know in the comment what you think about this kind of exercise, about the sketch by themselves. And yeah, do you like drawing? Do you enjoy it? Or do you just like watch people drawing something? And if you would like me to draw something else in 3 minutes, you can ask me. Even though the cats are the best for me, but yeah, I should draw something else. But sometimes I also draw people, you know, like this one. Sure, it was also with photo reference, and I have like a few other that I want to draw from some African tribes. I really like this hair here, and yeah, the look in their eyes. It was beautiful. Anyway, have a nice day everyone, and well, see you later, bye.